Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Viewers, I hope you are all fine. So viewers, in this video you will get very latest, very amazing and very stylish waist style, very latest and very stylish casual wear, party wear and also wedding wear waist ideas. Very amazing and very stylish waist with shirts ideas are given in this video. So viewers, watch this video completely and get idea, because this is ideas video. If you wanna go in any birthday party, so you can wear this kind of waist. It looks very attractive, very stylish and very fabulous. So I hope you are enjoying this video. This is very latest new style and new very attractive branded and also very super class waist ideas for functions wear. Almost 30 plus very latest and very stylish waist ideas are given in this video. So if you are college boy, if you are university boys, if you have any idea, if you want to get idea from my videos, so you can watch this video. This video is only for you because everything related to fashion and style, everything related to dressing and stitching ideas you will get from this video. So very latest and very beautiful dressing waist outfit are given in this video. If you are new, so I request you subscribe to my channel right now and press on the bell icon, because if you will not press on the bell icon, so you will not get any update or any kind of notification from my channel. Viewers, I hope you are still enjoying this video, so keep enjoying this video, keep watching this video and subscribe to my channel right now. If you use social network like Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, so you can share my videos or my channel link with your friends on social network. If you have any question, if you want to ask something about this video, so you can leave your comments under this video. We will wait for your comments, we will wait for your likes. Feel free to ask anything. So very beautiful and very attractive, very stylish waist with shirts ideas are given for boys. So viewer, thanks for watching this video. Thank you for giving us your time. Always take care of yourself and keep remember us in your special prayers. See you in the next video. Always take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.